Intermediate Algebra Homework, Day 23, starting Chapter 4. Starts out with simplifying something like x times x to the fourth times x to the third. If we think about what an exponent means, x to the fourth power means you have an x times an x times an x times an x. You have 4 x's on your list. So if I expand in this whole thing out, I'm going to have x times my x to the fourth, x times x times x times x times my x to the third, x times x times x. And if I follow my rules for exponents, notice that I have all x's. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I could combine all of that. X times 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 x is x to the 8th power. This leads us to the rule when you're multiplying with the same base, what you're going to do is add the exponents. This is x to the first, so if I take 1 plus 4 plus 3, I get 8. So in algebra, on their rules, they're going to show you something like this. If I have x to the m times x to the n, I can combine it into x to the m plus n. When I'm multiplying with the same base, I add my exponents. So number 2 says we're going to take w to the third times w to the fourth times w squared times w. Basically, I'm just going to add my exponents then. I've got 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 would be 9. 9 plus 1 would be 10. So I'm going to get w to the 10th power. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Don't forget about the w as being w to the first power. So when I do the third one there, I'm taking y times y to the 5th. Y times y to the 5th, 1 plus 5, y to the 6th power. So when I multiply with the same base, I add my exponents. So now they're going to use that to simplify longer expressions. I can get my board to work so I can erase the board. There we go. And so now we're going to do